Hello and welcome to the last exercise for the advanced course. This time a little bit thematized. It's based on data from the World Long Course Swimming Championships in Fukuoka in 2023. And here in the beautiful picture you can see, I think it's a long distance race because this is Katie Ledecky, the GOAT in women's swimming. So here there in the instructions, how many gold medals did France receive? Do an XLOOKUP for France in the team spreadsheet and gold medals for which swimmer scored exactly 999 FINA points. Look up for 999 in the performance table here. FINA points are here. Eternary is the name. It's Ahmed Hafnawi, a long course swimmer. XLOOKUP for 953 FINA points and the Olympia qualification inside here. First the FINA points and then also with an end sign in between the special feature, and you want to have the name here. It's Lukas Mertens from Germany. Over which distance did the swimmer score those points? So also an XLOOKUP. Look up for the points and the special feature inside the performance table, points and special feature, and return the event. There's something odd over here. It was in 500 meters freestyle, long course, no, not 500, 1500, 800 meters freestyle. He is currently not swimming this. How many gold medals were won by teams that did not win a silver medal? So sum FS. Here our sum range is the gold medals, and silver medals should be 0. 9 gold medals. And here, how many teams did only win gold medals? Or how many medals were won by teams only winning gold medals? Here our sum range should be gold, and our criteria range is silver, which should be 0, and also bronze, which should be 0. How many gold medals were won by the first 10 teams? Sum FS. Here and here, they should be smaller than 11. 34. How many FINA points were scored by the US swimmers in total? So, and only the women swimmers. Sum FS, sum range here, criteria is country, and also gender W. 14,500 points. How many world records were swum? And a world record is something that scores more than 1000 FINA points, because FINA points are based on the world record. So count FS, criteria range is in performances, the criteria is larger than 1000. Why is this wrong? I thought also if it's also a world record, it's larger or equal to 1000, so 7, because a tie here is also, if you, I think Ruta Mailutitis swam the same time than somebody before, it's also a world record. Yeah, sorry, I should have known that, and it was also mentioned in the instructions. How many teams won at least one gold medal? So count if S here in the teams gold, and should be larger than 0. So 12 teams. How many teams won at least one gold and one bronze medal? So here gold should be larger than 0, and also bronze should be larger than 0. 7 teams. What was the average time in the 1500 meters freestyle? And this isn't the total database, it's only like the first 100 entries or so on. I couldn't download the whole database. Average over performance time. The criteria is the event. Where is the event there? Sorry, it's an F. Average FS. Performances, time, event, here, behind here is the time, 14:45. I'm a little bit slower. On average, how many gold medals did the swimmers from the US receive? Average FS, individual. Average range is the number of gold medals. Criteria is country, which is the US, and also gender, so W. There isn't, oh yeah, now we're talking. Slowest time ever. I think it's the 1500 time from someone, from some woman. 15 minutes. I think it's even the time from Ledecky itself. Yeah, Katie Ledecky here, 1500 meters freestyle. She is currently holding the world record for both long course and short course 1500 freestyle. So, slowest time by a woman swimmer in US in 50-meter back, max FS. We want to have the time here from a woman swimmer out of the United States. Where's the US? I think here. Over 50-meter back stroke. Yeah. Now the fastest time here in this table, min over performances, the time column, 21 seconds, for example. I think something 50-meter freestyle of the boys, and the shortest, fastest time in 1500 freestyle. So minimum of time in the event 1500 meters freestyle. 14:31. It was close to the world record. I think it was a race by Gregorio Paltrinieri. The world record was broken a few days ago by the American Bobby Fink. How many points are the fourth largest FINA points? 1003 is also a world record. The second smallest amount of FINA points here, also quite decent. Who swam the slowest time by an American woman in the 50-meter back? So X look up after max FS, and the maximum range is here, the time by gender, woman, and also country, United States, and also in the 50-meter backstroke. And we want to look for this up inside the time column and return the name. And it was Katrin Berkoff. How many gold medals did the swimmers from the US won as many silver medals as Ariane Titmus on average? So first, how many silver medals won Ariane Titmus? X lookup Ariane Titmus. But X lookup after her number of gold medal silver medals. Lookup array here. Silver medals are here. One silver medal, and then average. If S average range is the gold medals here. Criteria range is silver medal. It should be larger. Should it be larger? As many. So it should be the same. Average if S. Average range. Individual, sorry. Silver should be 1. And I think American swimmers. So gender W. And country should be the United States. And it's right. How many FINA points were scored by swimmers who won more gold medals than Ryan Murphy? First, how many gold medals does Ryan Murphy? Has Ryan Murphy won there? Ryan Murphy here, gold medals 2. And now on sum if S over FINA points. I think no, it's the average FINA points, but never mind. More gold medals. Oh, more gold. Sum if S. No, average if S. FINA points here. Criteria range is gold medal and more than Ryan Murphy. Yeah. More. Oh no, sum FS there. Sum FS, but it's the same structure. So here you have your result. Sum FS when you have one more gold medals than Ryan Murphy. So this is a long text. How many medals were won in total by the team from which the swimmer who scored the X most FINA points on average, where the X is the number of Olympia qualifications over 1500 meters freestyle. So we need to count the Olympia qualifications over 1500 meters freestyle. Count FS here in the performance. Here this should be 1500 meters freestyle, and this should be Olympia qualification. 5 Olympia qualifications. Which swimmer scored the X most FINA, so the 5 most FINA points? Large individual here, the 5 most FINA's point. And now we want to have the name, so we need to look up. This is our lookup value. We want to look up here in the point section and want to have the name of those person, or we can also here, it was Leon Marchand. We can also like output directly the country. Oh no, country is D. Yeah, so France, he's swimming for France, although he's training currently in Texas after training in Arizona. And now we need to have a sum if S. Oh, do we need a sum if S here? We have our team here, and we want to sum those values here. So we could also do an X lookup there. X lookup for friends inside here and output this one and then sum this up. This works also. But as you can see here in the solution, I did this a little bit more complicated with X lookups there, but no SUMIFS as well. Thank you for your attention. I hope you had fun. Probably you will know a little bit more swimmer names here along the way and learn something about swimming. But yeah, I hope to see you in the export course.